Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, E&EZ. My name is Yulia, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use Canva 2020 for beginners. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Hey guys, so the first thing we're going to do is go to the Google search bar and search up canva.com. Once you do this, it will bring you to this page in which you can sign up to Canva with Google, Facebook, or with your email. Or if you already have a Canva account, you can log in. Before we get started with the video, I'm going to bring you to this page which shows all the different options of Canva and their prices. If you want to check this out more, there will be the link in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. So the different options in Canva are the free version, the pro version, and the enterprise version. The free version has many options still, but it doesn't allow you to use every single thing in Canva. However, it's pretty convenient. And then there is the pro version, in which it has everything the free version has, plus many different options and more things available. For example, you can upload your own fonts and logos, you can custom templates, or you can one-click design resizes. And then finally there is the enterprise version, in which it is for larger teams who need advanced brand and collaboration control. Okay guys, so once you have logged in or signed up, it will bring you to this page in which the first thing you will see is a search bar. This is under their phrase, which is design anything, which is so true because in Canva you can design so many things and there's unlimited possibilities of things that you can design. So in the search bar you can search up anything, for example YouTube, and it will bring you to a suggested thing in which it will show suggested options like YouTube channel art, icon, thumbnail, and so much more. And this will, if you press on them, it will bring you to the exact template size that you need. But if you want to customize your own dimensions, you go to the bottom of the main area and press custom dimensions. In this, you can customize your width and height of your design. Then you press create new design. Then underneath the search bar, there is create a design. This has all the possibilities of designs that you can make, from videos to logos to invitations to flyers to presentations and so much more. Then underneath create a design, there is your designs. It shows it from the one you created, the newest created one, and then to the oldest one. At the bottom of your designs, it will show you when you edited it last. For example, I edited this 1 hour ago. Then if you want to press or change or rename your design, you go and put your mouse on the name. Then there will be a pencil beside this, and you can just change the name. Then you can just press the part of the screen and it will be changed. Then underneath this can be Instagram posts, Facebook posts, posters, and so many more. These show all the templates for all the things. For example, Instagram posts, if you press see all, it will bring you to a new page in which it shows you all the templates. Then if you go back, there could be Facebook posts, posters, and so much more. Now, if you go to the left side, there is Home, which you're currently on, and then underneath Home, there is all your designs. If you press all your designs will appear, and you can just scroll down and pick any of the designs, and you can just edit it. Then underneath that is Templates, in which you can search up any template that you need. There is Browse by Category, Featured Collections, and so much more. There's millions of templates here. Then there is Photos. Photos can be free, or you need Pro to get them, or they could be you have to pay for them. Underneath Photos is Apps. These apps are, if you press on them, then you can use them in a design that you need. All you have to do is press Use in a design. Then underneath App is Brand Kit. Brand Kit is where you can brand logos, and then you can get brand colors, and brand fonts, and upload a font. You can even add a new platelet if you have Canva Pro. Then underneath Brand Kit is Design School. Design School is so useful in case you don't know anything or don't know how to design anything. You can go to Design School and it will have so many courses to teach you how to do it. And there's tutorials, events, so much more. Then underneath Design School there is Create a Team. Create a Team is where you can create a team that will work with you to make different things like logos, designs, and so much more. All you have to do is enter their email address and they'll become a member. Then underneath Create a Team, there is Folders. All your folders will appear here. You can even create a new folder, which will be in the top right corner. Then underneath Folders is Trash, and all the items that you've trashed will appear there. Now, if you go back to the home page and choose a design, for example, YouTube thumbnail, that'll bring you to a different page or tab. Then at the top side, there is File on the left side. If you press this, you can edit the name. I'm just going to change it to thumbnail. Then you can create a new design. This will scratch your design completely. Then there's show your margins, show print bleed, save. The good thing about Canva is that it automatically saves, but if you want to manually save, you can go here and press save. Then you can save to a folder. Then it'll show all your resolved comments. Underneath here, there's make a copy and download, which I'll get into later. Beside File, there is Resize. If you press Resize, it will allow you to change the custom size or change it to a different template like presentation, Facebook post, posters, so much more. Then there is Undo, which will allow you to undo anything that you just did. Then on the right side, there is the name of your design, and beside that there is Share. Share will allow you to share this to anyone by using their email. Then there's Download, which again I will get into later. Now over here there is Templates. You can search up a template, for example blue, and you can use it and edit it. But in case you don't want to do that, you can get rid of it and just create your own, which I will show you how. Then there is Photos. For photos, you can add as many as you like in your design, but for some of them you will have to pay for. Then there is Elements. The first thing that you will see in Element is recently used. This will show all the things that you have recently used. Then there's Featured. grids, shapes, frames. Frames are pretty cool. If you bring them here and then you press photos and choose a photo, then you can bring your photo inside the frame and it will capture it. Now again, you don't need to use the frames. Then underneath the frames there is stickers. These are also known as GIFs and they move, charts, gradients, and so much more. Then underneath elements there is text. It will allow you to add a heading, subheading, a body text, or a font combination. Then there is videos which you can add into your design, and backgrounds. For backgrounds you can choose a background, but if you want to replace it with something you just have to drag it over here and put it over. Then underneath the background there is uploads. Uploads shows all the images that you uploaded or videos. Then you can also upload an image or video at the top and choose one to upload. Then there is folders which shows all your folders, and again you can create a new one. Then there is more. These shows Canva apps and so much more that you can add to your design. So now I'm going to go to text and add a heading. I'm going to change the font of this red heading and write how to use that. Now I'm going to go to Elements and search up Canva. Once I've done this, I can rotate it in any sort of way, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to go back to text and add another heading. I'm going to make this heading bigger by pressing one of the dots in the corner and expanding. Then going to change the font. Now I'm going to add a subheading and write 2020. I'm going to change the font again. And I'm going to rotate this, make it bigger, and move it to the corner. Now, since I'm done my thumbnail, I'm going to download it by pressing the download or the V at the top. I'm going to press download. I'm going to make this a JPG file and press download. Well, that's all you have to do to make a thumbnail, and then you can upload it onto your YouTube, and you can use all of these elements and things with any other type of design. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and bye!